My husband has been working on finishing up his office, and he has been asking for quite some time now to have a nice frame for his diploma so that he can hang it in the back so all his Zoom calls can see. So I got him the VUDECO Certificate Frame. The frame itself has a beautiful wooden look to it, and the matting is black and gold, and it has an HD acrylic plate. On the back, you can see that you could hang it either way, depending on how your diploma is, or you could have it stand up right on your desk. The HD acrylic plate comes with a clear coating on both sides, so you know that it ships well without getting scratched. You have the option of the 8.5 by 11 size with the matting, or 11 by 14 without the matting. This is such a nice gift for someone. It's something that they can display their accomplishment wherever they choose in a classy way.